It's morning D-Tang raspy voice times. You know what that means. It's way too early qualifying. Casey's on A squad. Mama Tang's here. She got in last night. Unfortunately, it was dinner. But we drilled up some goodies last night. Not because we needed them, but because we wanted to. I'll give you guys a look before I load up the car. Head out to the South Point. Forgot to turn this off last night. Beep. All right, we got idle Helios. I've heard lots of good things already. And then we have the UC3. So we're bowling at South Point, and I don't know why I didn't think urethane was gonna be in play, because urethane's always in play there. I didn't bring any urethane balls to practice, which, I mean, it's better than not bringing any urethane balls to qualifying when you actually need them. I'm bringing 2 pitch blacks, this UC3. No fast pitch, just because of where we're bowling, the kind of oil and all that stuff. So that's why I decided on that. And yeah, here we go. We're back on the tournament grind. Qualifying, it's looking like a urethane fest. I can't even lie. Should be fun. All right, I just threw 2 shots on lane 55. I feel like the first one hit 15 down lane and it was 10 back. I'm not really sure because halfway down the lane I turned around. Not because, well, yeah, I hated it, but I kind of knew it was gonna strike. And the last one, I rotated it more, not on purpose, and I threw it to like 3 down lane, and I split the 8-9. Maybe league is a good thing. It's prepared me for this member, non-member. I can't even stop laughing. It's so ridiculous. Update, we're 140 and change over. Our first game was a little rough, second game was pretty good. It's just early. I'm not a morning person. I got some swing things going on that I'm thinking way too much about rather than just bowling. So if I can clear my mind and just bowl, I think I'll pick up the speed a little bit. It's going okay. It's close. I feel like we're really close. Hitting the pocket a lot, not striking a lot. And throwing it hard here is good, and that's not what our team's good at. But we're both about 130 over. It's like grinding with how easy they are. We're kind of okay, I think, but we definitely need to step it up a little bit because scores are not going to be low. So find a couple more hits and we'll be okay.
you know it's bad when we shoot a pretty good game, and I am furious. Like, it's just not, hasn't been a great day. And shot 520-ish that game, maybe a little less. We're about a little less than 400 over, and we're sweating the cut with 2 to go, which is ridiculous in my opinion. Yeah, I think that's why it's frustrating. Like, I bowled 240, I threw one really bad one, and I threw 2 that were pretty good that didn't go through the right way. Alex bowled 260. That was big, following up a 180. It's just frustrating. It's just knowing that tournaments like this come down to hits, and when you don't get them consistently, you know you're not really doing the right thing. But it's just frustrating. You're trying to figure it out and trying to have it all pan out. I think it's just one of those days where we're kind of not all there and not bowling the best. Just gonna hang tough for 2 more games and make sure we make it to tomorrow. Bad day for Alex and I think we just played the lanes wrong. We tried to hook it. South Point is notoriously good from the right, point straight, get pins to fly everywhere, and we got 9 a lot. A lot of our good shots didn't strike, our bad shots kind of 50-50 as well. We got to 445 over as a team, and it's not looking so good. We were in 10th with 1 to go. B squad saw us the ball. Some teams went around us for sure. I don't know if anybody fell behind us, but best case scenario, we're in 12th. So there's a chance. Chances aren't high, because when they're like this, really anybody can bowl well. The skill gap gets a lot smaller, unfortunately, so the better bowlers don't really have an advantage. It's whoever strikes the most. It's a carry contest, basically what it is. We might watch a little bit of B squad. Gonna go eat right now and try to calm down a little bit, because I'm very angry.
What's up, partner? How do you feel about our performance today?
I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 10.
That was higher than I thought you were gonna give it. Not by much. I was thinking like 2.5.
That was only because we got unlucky.
You're right. I feel like we weren't rolling good enough to be saying that stuff. Like, it never was really great. You know, like, we had a couple of good games, but
great.
For the most part,
it was great game 2.
Game 2 was okay, but for the most part, it was just so good. Maybe we'll bowl tomorrow. Maybe we won't. Whatever happens, I guess we're playing blackjack.
All right, the results are in from A squad, and we are currently in 11th. So that means if more than 5 teams pass us on B squad, we will not be bowling tomorrow. We more than likely will get a check. I don't know how many they cash, but there's a lot of space between us and 10th. I think 10th is safe. Us, on the other hand, I mean, 445 is still a lot, but I don't know. We're gonna go check it out though. We're not looking good at all. We're kind of just hoping for a check at this point. 3 more games. We'll see. All right, boys and girls watching the vlog, it's a sad day because there's not gonna be a vlog tomorrow because we missed the cut. Mainly no vlog because I missed the cut. We went 445 over as a pair, not me and him, me and Alex. And we're not cashing. We're gonna miss a check by like 20. There's about 500 over to make this cut. Don't know for sure, might have been a little more, might have been a little less, but that's 250 over a person. Like, I don't care what you're bowling on. For 2 people, it had to be really easy for that to happen. And it's, you know, we kind of spoke it into existence. It was going to be a carry contest. It was a carry contest. And I can guarantee you, Alex and I hit the pocket enough. We just didn't strike enough. So you live and learn. You know, I already went through my analytical process, and I'm going to go over with Anthony so he can learn and
progress in the sport as well. And
We go learn.
yeah, we're gonna chill the rest of the night, have a good time. And I think everyone's leaving mostly Monday, so we have tomorrow to hang out and stuff. So maybe we'll vlog, maybe not. I'm playing golf, so it probably won't be because you guys don't like golf vlogs. This is a bowling channel. Okay, bye.